Hey there, Kendra here from Balsamiq. Let's take a quick tour of the Balsamiq toolbar. At the top, you'll find the editor menus, edit options, and general view options. You've also got search to quickly find UI elements plus sharing and account settings. On the left, you can navigate between wireframes, add a new one, toggle the navigator to hide or show your wireframes list, and yes, even turn on some background music. On the right, you can toggle the UI library, property inspector, and comments. You will also find zoom options and the button to enter full screen presentation mode. At the bottom of the canvas, you'll find the floating toolbar. This handy little strip gives you quick access to commonly used tools, perfect for speeding up your workflow. Each tool has a handy shortcut key, so you can keep your hands on the keyboard and wireframe even faster. That's your Balsamiq toolbar. Everything you need, right where you need it. For more information, check out our docs. Happy wireframing!